One simple shoelace can snap under just 15 kilograms of force. Imagine walking 1,000 kilometers with a single, frayed shoelace. This is what happens when you neglect even the smallest details in your daily routine. Shoelaces are more than just a piece of string. They are a vital component of our footwear. A broken shoelace can not only cause you to trip and fall, but also lead to more severe injuries. But you might wonder, how often do shoelaces actually break? The answer might surprise you. Studies show that, on average, a person loses one shoelace per year. This phenomenon occurs when the constant stress and tension cause the material to weaken. It's like a grain of sand containing an entire library, where even the slightest disturbance can cause chaos. The threads in a shoelace are as delicate as the strings of a guitar, requiring precise tuning to produce harmony. However, the consequences of a snapped shoelace are not just limited to the inconvenience of needing to retie it. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that, in extreme cases, a snapped shoelace can even lead to a broken ankle or worse? Some types are more prone to breaking than others' medical conditions, such as diabetes or arthritis. The material used in shoelaces can also be a contributing factor. Some types are more prone to breaking than others. It's like comparing the strength of different types of rope. Some are designed to withstand more stress than others. When choosing the right shoelace, consider the type of activity you'll be doing and the material it's made of. For instance, if you're an avid hiker, you may want to opt for a lace made from a more durable material. But wait until you hear what comes next. Even if you do choose a sturdy lace, there are still other factors at play. Environmental conditions, such as temperature and humidity, can affect the elasticity of the material. Imagine walking in a hot, dry desert with a lace that's been weakened by the sun's intense heat. It's like trying to drive a car with a flat tire. It may seem like a minor issue, but it can have serious consequences. However, the good news is that you can easily fix a snapped shoelace with a few simple DIY techniques. All you need is a pair of scissors, some thread, and a needle to weave a new lace. This is a great opportunity to learn a new skill and save money in the long run. In fact, DIY repairs can be a fun and creative way to express yourself. You can choose from a variety of materials and colors to create a one-of-a-kind lace that suits your style. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that I could use a piece of twine to repair a broken lace. This may sound unconventional, but it's a clever hack that can save you in a pinch. The key is to tie the twine around the broken area in a secure knot. It's like creating a makeshift splint for a broken bone. It may not be the most elegant solution, but it gets the job done. But that's not all. This is also a great solution for learned that you can use peopler a tie hair to tie to create a temporary fix. This is also a great solution for learned that you can use peopler a tie hair to. All you need to do is tie the hair tie around the broken area and secure it with a knot. It's like using a temporary fix for a broken zipper. It may not be the most permanent solution, but it'll get you by. However, the most surprising thing I learned is that you can actually use a piece of string from a balloon to repair a lace. This may sound strange, but it's a clever trick that can save you in a bind. The key is to tie the string around the broken area in a secure knot. It's like using a makeshift rope to climb a mountain. It may not be the most elegant solution, but it gets the job done. And then I realized that the most important thing is not to panic when your lace breaks. Instead, take a deep breath and think creatively about how to fix it. This is a great opportunity to learn a new skill and save money in the long run. In fact, DIY repairs can be a fun and creative way to express yourself. You can choose from a variety of materials and colors to create a one-of-a-kind lace that suits your style. So the next time your lace breaks, don't panic. Instead, try one of these clever DIY fixes. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our community of curious learners. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.